Good morning, everybody. It's another Friday. We are here at the Rini farm, getting to work already. Got Anthony doing some maintenance.
Morning.
Oh man!
Brake pad snuck up on me, ate into the rotor.
Hate it when that happens.
Yep, thought I had another month or two.
It's never enough time. What you doing, Daisy? What are you doing? Huh? Yeah, good girl. Let's get started. Here's our setup for right now. Working on welding these in. We're using this little generator to run that welder to weld these pans in. Let's see how we do. Alright, just got all this perimeter all welded in right through here. Repair this little spot down here. So I'm gonna clean all this mess up with the wire brush. There we go. I wanted it all the way seamed welded all the way around because I'm gonna be riding this off-road and give it a little bit more strength instead of just tacked weld everywhere. So I got to weld from here all the way down and around. And look, Anthony's back. Rotisserie. Don't you do it.
You need a hand?
Yeah.
Maybe that's in the video.
Yeah, right there's good.
All right. Which way we going? I'm curious to know how much it's going to lift it, you know?
Yeah. Man, look at that difference.
Dude. Woo! Definitely.
What a day. Good day today. We got a good bit accomplished. Get my seatbelt on. Goodness. We got a good bit accomplished today. Anthony got his torsion bars on his front end of his thing turned a little bit. And, you know, it's not 100% welded. We had some issues with the generator. But we got a lot of work done. Yeah, so we're excited to see all that we've gotten done. We've got a lot of things still left to do, so stick around and you'll get to see this thing step by step until the finish line. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you on the other side.